Okay. Okay, so it looks like that is the last up. No, we do a parting off. So now everything's done on the inside. We're going to part it off on the back. Let's go to turning, parting off. One second. So we're going to use our parting off tool. And for our part off position, this value here tells it to go all the way to the center point. So make sure it cuts it all the way through. If you didn't want it to go all the way through, you could adjust this. And we're just going to pick this back point here. That's why we put that point there. Set the end point. Okay. So the right, I guess you could say the right edge of the part off tool is going to cut right on this point. Okay. So we're not going to do multiple passes. And let's see what the entry and exit looks. I believe that can just be the default values. So okay, it looks like we're in an error there. Okay, it looks like it froze up on me on the threading. Let's go ahead and go over, I mean, on the part off. Let's go ahead and drag this over and I'll show you what it looks like on this one. Not sure why it did that on that one. So here's our parting off. So here's parting off the right side of the part off tool at this back point. Let's go over here and rotate this around so we can see it.